Hi guys, I just want to share my favorite place in the house. So dito siya, dito sa gilid namin. I love it here kasi napaka fresh yung hangin. And we also have here our very own ates. Sayang nga lang daming bunga nito pero nasira nung bagyo. And we also have our very own kubo. Ang sarap tumambay dito kapag hapon. And as you can see, ang daming halaman. Nalaman niya ng tita ko. Napakagaling niyang mag-alaga ng halaman. So yeah, here it is.